Welcome to the top 5 auto advice. Misfire engine fix. Start with the easiest one. Check for damage on the spark plugs. Disconnect the plug wire leading to the misfiring cylinder's spark plug once you've identified it. To remove the plug and get a good look at it, use a spark plug socket. You can identify the misfires caused with the aid of the damage you observe. If the spark plug is simply worn out, replacing it might fix the issue. Ensure that new spark plugs are replaced and gapped correctly. When the end of a spark plug appears black or fouled with carbon, the engine was using too much fuel. The fuel regulator may have failed, or there may be serious internal problems if a plug is wet with gasoline or oil. If the plug looks fine, check the gap between the metal sticking out of the end of the plug and the base. Compare the gap to the specified gap in the vehicle's repair manual. If the gap is too big, it may be preventing the air-fuel mixture from firing. You may also need to replace the wire that delivers the spark from the ignition coil to the spark plug. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.